So battery technologies are being implemented at utility scale more now than they were in the past. There's a couple of big ones that I'm aware of that I like to track and watch. One is South Australia, where they had a large power outage related to the variable nature of the renewable energy in South Australia. They have high percentage renewable, and that can impact the grid adversely. So Australia will install 100 megawatts of battery capacity to make the grid harder and take the excess energy when the renewables are strong, and drain the battery when the renewables aren't pushing enough energy. The other area I think that's interesting to watch will be the storm-ravaged Caribbean. So Puerto Rico and some of the other islands need to rebuild their energy infrastructure. And we're going to see a higher percentage of renewable energy going into that rebuild, and we're going to see battery technology. So once you start making these projects real, I think that's when you hit the tipping point about proving technologies, and this is the year I believe batteries will prove themselves.
And in your blog, you had also mentioned Elon Musk. Why him in particular that you've called him out?
He's very outspoken, right? And he's a very strong advocate for battery technology. So how do you talk about battery technology and not possibly say something about him? You know, one example is how he responded to that power outage I mentioned in South Australia. In response to the South Australia CEO, Mike Cannon-Brookes' question about how do I stand this back up, Mike Cannon-Brookes asked Elon Musk, how serious are you about implementing the 100 megawatts of battery technology? And Musk responded, and I quote, "Tesla will get the system installed and working in 100 days from contract signing, or it's free." Wow. That kind of went a little bit viral inside of the energy world. It probably didn't. Yeah, it didn't probably catch the attention of some other industries, but to us, it was a project to watch.
Sure.